What's up, everybody? Super 5 back from the video. And today, I'm going to be showing you my Lego set. I'm not sure if I've shown you this before, but I am going to show you it now.
That skinny lady right there. Wait, she's right there. Oh my god, why is that dude running like that dude?
Alright. We have the car over here. We have that vroom vroom. I need to switch this camera so it's down.
Yes.
You know what?
Yeah.
I'm getting tired of this.
Alright.
I'm getting tired of this.
We have
I'm getting tired of
the
this.
van. We have some crab if you want some.
Stupid. Honey, you go kill yourself because you're all dead. No, you too.
Fish.
No, I'm not gonna do that.
Oh, and a car. We have cars.
We
We have this car over here. This car. I need to show you everything in there. Alright. You have sleeping headquarters over here. Here's the top.
There's
To
cops.
disguise it,
Dude, there's cops.
just close it. Alright? Anyways. The door opens so you can see all the inside. Oh no. Alright, as you can see, look the way, car. There are some windows here.
Helicopter.
Oh my god.
Helicopter.
Right there.
Oh no, I'm out of here.
I'm outie, bruh.
Oh.
I'm outie.
Get out of here. There's a helicopter.
He thinks he can run. You're not gonna make it. Just get the car. It turned into the Hulk. It turned into the Hulk. Oh.
You're killing me.
Turn into the Hulk.
Okay, wait, can he get out of prison?
Alright.
Yes.
How
Damn.
can he do that? They can catch. Oh, the police is gone.
They're gone.
Swerve.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Yeah.
Oh crap.
No, the cops are not there. The cops are not there. They're chasing somebody else.
Oh, there it is. There is.
They're picking up. They're
Scared of
coming after another person. Okay. It took me a long time to build this, like 2 days.
Chris, why?
So,
Wait, do I
alright.
I'm
Anyways,
going to
close the sleeping
Ooh, how about
area.
that car?
Go for some day. Oh yeah, get the car.
And you got
Yeah.
Chris, why?
the kitchen room. We have a
That looks
hot
like
pan. We have the propane gas thing up here.
Wait, how do they do that?
Sorry.
Wait, who's behind me?
Now we have the
Wait, first you gotta get
ATVs
the car
coming
away.
in,
The cops, they're
bro.
gonna recall the car.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Look in front of you. A helicopter will come out of nowhere and drop a bomb and just get out and shoot. Get the hell out of
Where you at? Oh, no,
his
park
hat.
it.
Alright,
Yo,
so
son,
this is
son.
an
This ain't
ATV,
my
I
car, but I'm driving.
believe. I believe this is a Lego ATV. He's number 7 in racing.
Wait,
Or
can you
can
get
you-
like
Okay.
what are those things like SWAT?
We have
like,
the woman
things?
here now. Vroom, 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 vroom.
Can? But I thought
my hair fell off.
Yeah.
Sorry.
I'm part of their gang. Like, look at me. Like, look at me. Watch this. I'm a foreign gangster.
Get a
See
dog.
this? See this? I am a thug.
Are you a
You
crip?
can't get
I'm a foreign
like
gangster.
you can't get people that can guard you or something like that.
Yeah, I can.
How?
Okay, let's go to the hood.
Look. Okay. Now, let me show you the other cars, the pickup truck for the ATVs. Alright. Boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Now, seen the whole thing?
You know what? Actually,
So,
no.
boom, boom. Oh,
Because Michael has all the cars.
But he does.
Roof doesn't have that many studs for the thing, to be honest. So, yeah. Boom,
Are you
boom.
sure about that?
Boom, ba, boom. Go, shorty. Shower. Go, shorty. Shower.
Wait, he is over there.
Now,
No. Actually,
this
see?
connects to this.
Yeah,
Yeah,
because
that's his house. That's a mansion.
Then, you can put this truck over here in this compartment right here. But you have to take this off first, and then put this here.
Hey,
Then you lift the latch so it doesn't fall out,
Yeah.
like so.
Her
And
on the wall.
then
She's not here.
you can
no, who's that?
push it down,
See,
push
got
the
her
back
right there.
down.
Well,
I know
where,
you're not seeing this, so yeah, push the back down, stick with
Jimmy
you.
and
where's Jimmy?
he should be in his room.
Isn't Jimmy Michael's son?
His room.
Who is she? The one that cheated on you with her high school boyfriend.
Let me see if Tracy's here.
I don't know.
Oh, that's what
She's never
Oh,
home.
let me show you something. Why is the cheat activate on this one? On this guy too? I would activate on Franklin.
Hey, who sees cars? What?
Ooh, that's
Just
the
one
only
car?
car
No,
he
this is one
has.
in the garage.
There's
Look at
only
this
car
expensive
he
car. You can't buy this. It's extremely
has.
expensive.
How
Look at
fast
this.
can it
This is
go?
a Bugatti.
With me.
yeah, no.
Oh,
Sorry,
sorry.
this car is fast.
Yeah, it's
Bugatti.
really fast.
Watch
We have
this.
to go.
Watch this.
Not as fast as the
Oh, yeah,
Infinity.
I can't drive this one.
Alright.
This costs over $1
We're
million.
gonna drive over here. Just like that. And you have both
Please
of
get out
them
the way, please.
checked.
Nobody crashed. Oh, that's my other car too.
I'm gonna put these cars in here.
You
Yeah,
don't
I'm
have to
gonna
drive
put in
this car,
here. Okay, little Timmy wants to, you know.
Softly. Softly.
Perfect.
Softly. Softly.
Alright.
Can I drive a car?
No,
Yeah, you're gonna
little
drive my
Timmy.
personal car. It's not my personal car. It's like
Alright, little
occasional
Timmy's gonna
time.
stay in the back.
Yeah, what if someone destroyed? What are you gonna do?
I would kill them.
Yep.
I would kill their whole family.
Oh yeah. That's
You know that dude
It's
I
my
saw
other
on
car.
YouTube?
This is expensive as well. Look at this. See the money.
You know
on
what,
the
little
money sign on the
Timmy's
rims and
gonna-
everything.
Yeah.
stand on the roof. We'll make up my pups. Okay.
Where? Oh,
Little
my God.
Timmy, little Timmy,
Or
little
you
Timmy,
know what?
girl.
Go this way.
Little
Follow
Timmy,
it.
little
From
Timmy,
a
little
marker,
Timmy,
you gotta
girl.
follow
Okay.
it.
Can you
Lucky hat, turn it to the back.
Can't. Not in this game.
So he just
Hey,
goes
turn
like
around.
that.
Make a left. Just go around that way.
Alright.
Okay, go.
These are back up.
Go. Just keep on going.
Try to be careful with your car. You can kill me.
Look at this
Alright.
car. It's
Now we're
free
dealing
fine.
with
It's
this
over
car
here.
over here. Right?
Okay, good. That's a good thing.
Because the camping site
I know how to drive.
is going to stay. There's
I'm
a
good
door
driver,
here.
So I'm not
'cause
crazy
Mom
like you.
wants to stay.
Eliana, no, I know how to control the car when it's fast. That's the thing. But I don't like driving fast in this camera because I crash easy.
And,
Alright.
but when you're like, not, hey, whoa, what was that?
These don't crack. These people don't crack.
These people don't know how to
I'm
drive.
gonna put this
wait,
lady
wait.
inside the car, inside the house.
This car don't go that fast.
It does.
Maybe she could be seated.
That's this car.
Oh my god.
Oh,
I'm trying to fix this stuff.
you have a speed
So-
limit on.
So after this commercial,
You need to scratch this car.
Wait, I see
Keep
some.
going, keep going straight. Is this thermal coming here?
I don't know.
Mom. Mom. Is this thermal coming here?
I'm just gonna take off the roof.
Watch it. No, go back, go back, go back. Do that.
Here?
Left. There, go.
Thunder, thunder, thunder.
Make a left.
Lightning and the thunder.
Make a left. Watch the parking lot.
She gonna have her drink. We gonna drink. We gonna
Actually,
drink
no.
and drink.
Yeah.
We gonna drink. We gonna drink. We gonna eat.
I'm good at parking, so
What you gonna
I'm
do? You gonna stand there.
Hold on.
You gonna stand
get
there.
out.
You gonna stand there. She gonna stand
You
there.
gotta be careful with
Stay
this
That
car.
one has a
You
previous
gonna
one.
put the
Wait, is your car damaged?
lock it up. Lock it up. Lock it up.
Okay, it's completely fine.
I got Wi-Fi. I got Wi-Fi.
One thing is
I got
protection.
Wi-Fi. Yeah, I got Wi-Fi. Hey.
100% guaranteed.
Oh, wow. Okay.
You're not gonna get
Yeah,
it.
that's out of the way.
So much.
Little Timmy is gonna go
Okay,
with
are you going back?
John. Little Timmy and John
No, I wanna go.
are gonna go
I wanna choose my direction.
and, you know, have some family time. Not annoying. So, not my mom. but little Timmy wants some time away
Your car's gone.
from his mom.
Nope, you're there.
So, little Timmy
Wait.
is gonna go on a
Some people
drive
wish they had that car.
with the
How much was
with
this
his
car?
parent,
How much was that car?
John,
$800.
and he stays here. Just like
Facts. You know, you ever play with Hot
Alright.
Wheels?
Never.
That's what I try to make it look like. Watch, and look at
Alright.
the truck. Go.
here's little Timmy coming down the street, coming down the street. Cause he gonna go
I think you should get out.
What's this?
Oh. Okay.
You know what back in the garage?
The truck?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do. And be careful what you're doing. That car is really... Oh yeah, that definitely looks like Hot Wheels. I saw a car just like that. Because I did not want to get it. That was...
Alright.
I created myself. I customized all my cars.
Why did you give your friends access to my car? Lamborghini.
My other. No, this is my.
We're just gonna park it right
The
my
golden
this-
car.
that's my Maserati.
Alright, go in the truck.
This truck is expensive. I need to pay something.
Why is two wheels in the back? I'm
It's
confused.
powerful.
Oh,
I'm
hold on.
It's powerful than other trucks.
I just backed out. That's weird. Ellie?
What?
What are you doing?
I'm just filming a video. Alright, guys. That's the end of our video. Hope you like and subscribe and press post notification so you know when's my next video. And have a great summer.
I'm
Peace.